You are going to love the 2020 CT5. The Cadillac CT5 offers a powerful engine, an upscale interior, and plenty of technology. Couple that with an exterior design that is stunning, and you have a vehicle sure to make people notice. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, tire pressure monitoring system, front license plate bracket, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.